Writing style engaging. Hey travel enthusiasts! Have you ever wondered about the lesser-known secrets that make Venice one of the most intriguing cities in the world? Today, I'm diving deep into the heart of Venice to uncover some truly amazing facts that just might surprise you. Let's start with the foundation of the city itself. Did you know that Venice is actually built on more than 100 small islands in a lagoon in the Adriatic Sea? But here's the kicker. These islands are connected by over 400 bridges. Each step in Venice could lead to a new discovery. Now, onto something that blows most people's minds. Venice's solution to preventing the city from sinking. The city is supported by millions of wooden piles driven into the soft ground beneath. These piles, mostly made from water-resistant alder trees, have been standing strong for centuries. Yes, centuries. Moving on, let's talk about the iconic gondolas. There is a strict regulation that all gondolas must be painted in black as a measure to curb conspicuous consumption among the wealthy. However, each gondolier personalizes their gondola with subtle, unique details. So next time you ride one, look closer. Venice isn't just about its past, it's living history. Every corner tells a story, from the whispered dealings in the historic Rialto market to the soft serenades on moonlit canals. And if you're lucky enough to visit during the Venice Biennale, you'll see contemporary art and culture weaving seamlessly with ancient traditions. Lastly, did you know Venice has no cars? That's right, no road rage, no honking, just boats and your own 2 feet. This makes Venice one of the most pedestrian-friendly cities in the world. It's a maze, but a beautiful one that invites you to get delightfully lost. So there you have it, a peek into some of the secrets that make Venice not just a city, but a living, breathing piece of art. Whether you're a history buff, art lover, or simply in search of beauty, Venice promises a journey into the extraordinary. Don't just see Venice, let's feel and experience it together. See you in the city of canals. End of video.